Excuse me. How do I get to the red cafe?
Red cafe?
Yes.
Hey, let you see. Go to the corner and turn left.
Turn right.
Go to Blouse and turn right.
Turn right.
Around the corner is a train station.
Station.
Don't take the train. Go to the station across the street to the bookstore. Next to the bookstore is a farmer. Next the farmer is a red cafe.
Red cafe. Yeah.
Got it? Let's do again. Corner,
Corner.
left.
Left.
Go to Blouse and turn
Turn
right.
right.
Around the corner. Around the corner.
Around corner.
Don't take again. Don't take the train.
Don't take the train.
Through the station. Across the street. Bookstore.
Bookstore.
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Red cafe.
Red cafe. Yeah. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Bye bye.
Bye bye.